back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. I have another unboxing for you all from the summer collection 20s. I've been waiting for these items to be available here in Japan. So my SA sent me a message that it did finally arrive and she delivered it overnight to me. So let's get started with the unboxing. Here's the receipt. Let me open this box first. Here's the booklet. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at the color. So this is the card holder. It has this pocket here and here, and it also has a back pocket, and it's made in France. There. So here's the authenticity card, 29 series. There. What can you say about the color? Do you like it? So here's a comparison of the last season. This is from 20p, pre-collection, spring and summer. And here, how it looks like. And at the back, this one doesn't have a back pocket. And inside, it's just the same layout. So this one is in caviar leather with light gold hardware. And the color is in like dark pink. There. Love it. Okay, next one. So let me open this. I'm so excited to unbox this because I did not have a chance to go to store to see it in person and to try it on. Let me open it. Okay, so here's the booklet. Dust bag. Okay. So here it is. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, look at that. There. So this is the small vanity case with classic chain. This is in the caviar leather with light gold hardware, and the color is pink. Let me see. Yeah, same color. So I love the pink color. It's my favorite color and it's my happy color. So it has a 2 zipper closure. So let me check first because this is my first time. I haven't seen it in person. Let me see. This is how it looks like. Front, side, there. So at the back and at the bottom. So it's just plain, no feet and no quilting design. So I love the feel of the caviar leather. It doesn't look plasticky and it's puffy. And I also love the shine on the caviar leather. Well, let me open it. And the zipper is smooth. There. Yes. So inside it says made in Italy. It has a fabric interior and it has 2 grommets. So 3 card slot holder and 1 lipstick holder there and just 1 plain compartment. So here's the authenticity card. There. Oops. 29 series. Yeah. It's so pretty. I love the chain. So this is how it looks like. The chain is weighty. Yeah, and I love it. It looks so pretty. So for the dimensions of the bag, width is 3.7 inches, length is 6.6 inches, and depth is 3.1 inches. So for a quick comparison, this is my reissue. There, side by side comparison of my reissue. So this is how it looks on the side. There. Okay. So let's see what we can fit inside this vanity case. Card holder, but if you don't want to bring your card holder, it's okay because it already has a 3 card slots. But if you want to, yes. Key holder, compact powder, lipstick, and my phone. I have the iPhone XS. Okay, so this is how it looks inside. Okay, there. Perfect. Everything fits inside. So overall, I love it so much. It's so cute, great price point. It's like you're having 2-in-1, a bag and a wallet, and it fits all my essentials. Perfect for spring and summer. Let's do a quick modeling shot of this bag. So I love to accessorize my bag. If you are interested to buy this pearl accessory, I will put it in the description box below. Okay, so the strap drop is 22 inches. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my unboxing for today. If you like my vanity case, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. So stay healthy. Bye.